Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9. Here is Sadia Naseem, your botany teacher from Behria Foundation College, Nashir of Rose. Friends, today our topic is mitochondria. Mitochondria is the cytoplasmic organelle. In my previous lecture, I told you about cytoplasm, a jelly-like material present between the plasma membrane and nuclear membrane is cytoplasm. There are many organelles in the cytoplasm, like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, vacuoles. Today we are going to discuss about the cytoplasmic organelles, mitochondria and endoplasmic reticulum. So let's start. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. The mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria is a plural word. Singular is the mitochondrion. It is a plural word. Its singular is mitochondrion. It is known as the powerhouse of the cell. They are very important organelles of eukaryotic cell. They are important organelle of eukaryotic cells. Means they are present only in eukaryotic cell. They are totally absent in prokaryotic cells. They are generally rod-like or bean-shaped. What is its shape? Rod-like or bean-shaped, like this. This is the shape of the mitochondria. They are rod-like or bean-shaped in structure and they are bounded by two membranes. It is a double membrane structure. It is a double membrane structure. One membrane is the outer membrane and the other is inner membrane, like this. Look at this picture. This is the picture of the mitochondria. This is one membrane and this is the another membrane. Double membrane structure. Two membranes are present. Outer membrane is smooth, while the inner membrane has many infoldings like this. Inner membrane is folded many times like this. This is the picture of a mitochondria. This membrane is the outer membrane, which is smooth, while the inner membrane is folding. These infoldings are known as crista. Cristae. Crista. These infoldings are known as crista. What is the function of these infoldings? In fact, enzymes are located here inside this membrane, like this. Enzymes. These dots are indicating the enzymes which are present on this membrane. Okay. This is the outer membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum. This is inner membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum. Inner membrane has many infoldings called the crista and enzymes are located on this membrane. Now these infoldings, what is the function of this crista? This crista increase the surface of the membrane. Look at this. Due to this infolding, surface area of membrane has increased many times. And on large surface area, there are large enzymes. जितनी ज़्यादा बड़ी membrane होगी उतने ज़्यादा enzymes उस पर अटैच होंगे और उतनी ही तेज़ी से अपना फंक्शन करेंगी. क्योंकि इन enzymes का फंक्शन क्या होता है? रेस्पायरेशन. रेस्पायरेशन करती है ये, तो रेस्पायरेशन के लिए जितने ज़्यादा एंजाइम्स अटैच होंगे उतनी ही तेज़ी से रेस्पायरेशन होगी और उतनी ही तेज़ी से माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया अपना फंक्शन करेगा. अंडरस्टैंड? सो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द this is not location is in the cytoplasm. And what is the function of the mitochondria? Function is respiration. Okay, function of mitochondria is respiration. Location of mitochondria is in the cytoplasm because it is a cytoplasmic organelle. Okay, you understand? So our next topic is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. They are also cytoplasmic organelles present in the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum are network of channels extended throughout the cytoplasm. It looks like this. It is a network of channels extending throughout the cytoplasm. This is endoplasmic reticulum. If this is the nucleus, outside the nucleus, here is the nuclear membrane. This is the nuclear membrane. And if this is the cell membrane, like this is the cell membrane. So endoplasmic reticulum, they extend throughout the cytoplasm like this. They are tube-like structure. They extend throughout the cytoplasm like tube-like structures like this. These are the endoplasmic reticulums present within the cytoplasm, and their network of channels extending throughout the cytoplasm. Their shape is tube-like, like a tube. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is also known as, simply we write in short form, rough endoplasmic RER, and smooth SER. S for smooth, ER for endoplasmic reticulum. So what is the difference between these two types? These are smooth endoplasmic reticulums, but in some cases ribosomes may be attached on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum like this. Here may be attachment of ribosomes. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this is a rough endoplasmic reticulum and this one is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You got my point? Now what is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum? First of all, it extends tube-like structure, so it acts like a skeleton. It gives shape to the cell, it gives support, it keeps the cell in extended form. Other is the transportation of materials. Material transport from one surface to another surface to the endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are attached on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, this is called the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And function of ribosome is to protein synthesis. So endoplasmic reticulum help in protein synthesis also. Endoplasmic reticulum also detoxifies the harmful drugs. It removes the harmful drugs from the body. So it was our lecture of the day. Students, what is your homework of the day? You have to read the topic very carefully and you have to make the notes of endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria with diagrams, with proper headings. You will write these two cytoplasmic organelles and send me your homework. Waiting for your homework. Thank you.